there, so today I created this tie-dye look with the James Charles Morphe palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, so the first shade I'm going to be going in with is this one right here. And I'm just grabbing a brush that looks like this. And we are just going to pack that on there. And you just want to make a dot like right under your arch here. The shade I am going to go in with is this one right here. And we're just going to pack that around that circle. Then we are going to grab this yellow shade and just keep going around. And I'm going to pick up this green shade right here. And now since we can't make a full circle around, I'm just gonna do just kind of like the sides and a little bit underneath. Right, then I'm going to pick up this shade right here. I am going to grab this light purple right here. Okay, and then I think I'm just going to restart the colors since I still have like a little bit of space here. So I think I'll just put a little bit of red and then maybe some yellow. Alright, now I'm just going to cut my crease and kind of do like a wing out here. So I'm going to clean up what I've got on the lid there because I don't want any product on the lid. So now I'm going to take a brush like this and some setting powder, and I'm just going to put some setting powder all over where I cut the crease out here. Alright, now I'm going to add my wing and my eyelashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so here is the finished look. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!